home deserves to have a beautiful garden. The flowers in the garden are so vibrant, just like people sing in the popular song. Beautiful flowers rely on proper watering, but using tap water for daily watering can be expensive.
Meanwhile, during the summer, it often rains. Sometimes, even heavy downpours, the rainwater that comes down from the roof just flows away unused. And being close to the house, it can also cause damage to the foundation.
So, how to utilize rainwater for garden irrigation has become a topic of discussion. That's where CBT Rain Box comes in, promoting environmental protection and the efficient use of natural resources, encouraging and supporting the establishment of a rainwater harvesting system.
A rainwater harvesting system typically consists of the following components. 1. Rainwater storage tanks or barrels. The 275-gallon rain tank sponsored by CBT Rain Box is particularly popular. 2. Components to collect water from the downspout. Soft rubber diverters. Hard plastic diverters. Downspout extensions. Three, faucets, hoses, uniseals, pipes, elbows, and quick connectors to direct the water to wherever needed. 4. Filters to remove leaves and debris from the water collected from the roof.
The necessary tools include 1. A drill with hole saws to create holes in the downspouts and rain tanks. 2. A hacksaw for cutting the downspouts. 3. Various plumbing tools to facilitate the installation of faucets, overflow control units, etc. Now, let's go through the steps and considerations for setting up a rainwater harvesting system with an example from the Tianyuan.
First, determine the location for the water tank. Choose a spot close to the downspout and also close to the garden that needs watering. Preferably, select a downspout with the highest water flow, usually under a large area of sloping roof.
Second, build a solid foundation for the water tank. It should be sturdy, stable, and capable of supporting the weight when the tank is full. Additionally, raising the tank slightly or placing it on higher ground ensures that the rainwater flows to the desired location without the need for a pump.
Third, install diverters on the downspout. To begin with, for soft rubber diverters, drill a hole in one side of the downspout, insert the rubber diverter, and connect it to the tank with a hose or pipe. Secondly, for hard plastic diverters, cut out about 6 to 9 inches of the downspout, fit the plastic diverter in between, and connect it to the tank using the provided hose or pipe.
Best for the last. For the most effective and efficient downspout extension, to connect the downspout extension with the rain tank, a hole on the lid, normally 3.5 or 4 inches in diameter, is needed. Use an electric drill with proper-sized hole saw to make a hole on the lid to fit the extension tightly and easily.
Use hacksaw to cut the downspout. Measure the proper length. Usually cut from 2 feet above the top of the rain tank.
Hook up the downspout extension with rust-resistant screws, and then insert the extension into rain tank via the 3.5-inch hole on the tank lid. Actually, before inserting extension into the rain tank, install a filter to block the debris down from the roof. No proper filters available on the market due to the size issue. We can use food strainers sold on Temu, dirt cheap, less than $1 for one. Fix it with its string on the top of the rain tank, and roll it over on the lid screws to make sure it won't fall in. Now we can see it's perfectly tight. This also concludes step 4.
Step 5. Install overflow control system to prevent overflowing water from falling near the house. When the tank is full, an overflow control unit needs to be set up. Drill a hole to 0.5 inch in diameter at the top of the tank's sidewall. Squeeze a uniseal into it and insert a hard pipe 2 inch in diameter, and then elbows and pipes as needed.
Step 6. Install faucets, hoses, quick connectors, and etc. to facilitate utilizing rainwater. Different rain tanks may require different interfaces. Quick connectors provide a convenient and universal interface, allowing quick connections with various hoses and watering devices.
Step 7. Further enhancements. A small pump can be used to transport water from the tank to higher places, or connect it to various sprinklers and drip irrigation systems.
A protective cover can be added to shield the tank from the sun, UV, and other damages to it and the water inside.
Planting climbing vines around the tank can make the entire rainwater harvesting system blend harmoniously with the environment.
Rainwater harvesting systems enable us to collect, store, and utilize rainwater free from chemicals, reduce water expenses, and protect the environment. I highly recommend it. Do you want to do it?
Let's use the rainwater to have a better garden. Thanks for watching.